What's on the menu for us today? Something quick, delicious, and healthy, I would say. A dish from Athens born in the 60s, Horiatiki salad is loved in all cities. Take fresh veggies that bring fiber and vitamins, chop the juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, onion, green and red bell pepper. Next, we'll make a tangy dip. Olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano. Whip, whip, whip. Shake it, pour it, and let the magic of flavors begin. Top it with feta, a treasure of grease and a source of protein. So mix it all, take a taste. Not a single bite should go waste. Kaliorexi, as I proudly say. Enjoy this meal the Greek way. Apolafseti salata.